For centuries, the narrow Isthmus of Panama stood as a barrier between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Dense jungles, treacherous swamps, and unforgiving diseases made it a formidable challenge. Yet, its strategic importance as a potential gateway for global trade was undeniable. The dream of a canal captivated explorers, engineers, and visionaries for generations. The idea was not new. Spanish explorers saw its potential in the 16th century. After decades of planning and setbacks, the Panama Canal opened on August 15, 1914, forever changing global trade. The Isthmus of Panama, a narrow strip of land connecting North and South America, presented a daunting array of challenges to the canal builders. This was not simply a matter of digging a trench through earth and rock. Nature had other plans. Dense, impenetrable jungles blanketed the region, teeming with venomous snakes, disease-carrying insects, and unpredictable wildlife. The humid tropical climate fueled the spread of yellow fever and malaria, deadly diseases that had already claimed countless lives in previous canal attempts. The terrain itself was a formidable adversary. Towering mountains and rugged hills stood in the path of the proposed canal route. Rivers, prone to sudden and devastating floods, crisscrossed the landscape. The Chagres River, in particular, was known for its unpredictable nature, often transforming from a placid waterway into a raging torrent. These were not challenges to be taken lightly. They demanded innovation, resilience, and an unwavering determination to conquer the odds. The first attempt to construct a canal across Panama began in 1881, led by the renowned French engineer Ferdinand de Lesseps. Fresh off his success with the Suez Canal, de Lesseps brought optimism to the project. However, Panama's challenges were far more formidable. The French effort, plagued by disease and mismanagement, quickly descended into chaos. Thousands succumbed to yellow fever and malaria. By 1889, the French company went bankrupt, leaving unfinished work and shattered dreams. In 1904, after years of political maneuvering and negotiations, the United States took control of the Panama Canal project. President Theodore Roosevelt, recognizing the strategic importance of the canal, made its completion a national priority. Learning from the mistakes of the French, the Americans adopted a multifaceted approach. They placed a strong emphasis on sanitation and disease control, led by Dr. William Gorgas, who implemented a rigorous campaign to eradicate mosquitoes and improve hygiene. The Americans also brought to bear their considerable engineering expertise and resources. John Stevens, a skilled railroad engineer, was appointed chief engineer. Stevens recognized the importance of efficient infrastructure and logistics. He oversaw the construction of new railroads, housing, and hospitals, transforming the canal zone into a massive, well-organized construction camp. Section 5. Conquering mountains, taming rivers, reshaping the landscape. The Panama Canal was a monumental project, showcasing human determination and ingenuity. Millions of cubic yards of earth and rock were excavated to create a navigable waterway. The Culebra Cut, a 9-mile stretch, was one of the most daunting tasks. Steam shovels, dredges, and dynamite carved a path through the mountains. Damming the Chagres River created Gatun Lake, a key part of the canal route. Section 6. Locks, stairways for ships, a marvel of engineering. The Panama Canal is not a simple sea-level channel. Due to the mountainous terrain, ships had to be raised and lowered along the route, a feat accomplished through an ingenious system of locks. These massive concrete chambers, designed as stairways for ships, would raise or lower vessels to different levels, allowing them to navigate the varying elevations. The construction of the locks was an engineering marvel in itself. Each lock chamber was enormous, capable of accommodating the largest ships of the time. Massive steel gates weighing hundreds of tons sealed the chambers, while a complex system of valves and culverts controlled the flow of water, gently raising and lowering ships with remarkable precision. The locks of the Panama Canal stand as a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles through innovation and a mastery of engineering principles. Section 7. The Culebra Cut, a symbol of human perseverance. The Culebra Cut, a 9-mile gash through the Continental Divide, became both a symbol of human ambition and a testament to the relentless challenges faced during the canal's construction. It was here, more than anywhere else, that the battle against nature was waged with brute force and unwavering determination. Day and night, the air vibrated with the roar of steam shovels, the clang of drills, and the thunderous blasts of dynamite. Men labored tirelessly, removing millions of cubic yards of earth and rock. Their efforts often hampered by landslides, equipment breakdowns, and the constant threat of tropical diseases. The Culebra Cut was a dangerous place. Accidents were common, and many workers lost their lives in the pursuit of this grand vision. Yet the work continued, driven by a shared sense of purpose and the knowledge that they were creating something truly extraordinary. Central to the Panama Canal's design was the creation of Gatun Lake, a vast artificial lake formed by damming the Chagres River. This ambitious undertaking transformed the landscape, submerging entire valleys and creating a navigable waterway through the heart of the isthmus. The construction of Gatun Dam, a massive earthen structure, was a feat of engineering in itself. Extending over 1.5 miles in length and rising over 100 feet high, the dam tamed the once unpredictable Chagres River, harnessing its waters to create a crucial component of the canal. Gatun Lake served multiple purposes. It not only provided a navigable waterway for ships, but also acted as a massive reservoir, supplying water for the canal's locks. This innovative approach showcased the ingenuity of the canal's designers, who turned a potential obstacle into an essential asset. Long before the first ship traversed the Panama Canal, the Panama Railroad, completed in 1855, played a vital role in connecting the Atlantic and Pacific coasts. During the construction of the canal, the railway served as a lifeline, transporting workers, equipment, and supplies through the dense jungles. The railroad, originally built to facilitate the California Gold Rush, proved to be an invaluable asset during the canal's construction. It transported millions of tons of equipment, including steam shovels, dredges, and locomotives, to the construction sites. The Panama Railroad was more than just a transportation route. It was a symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance. Its construction through the treacherous jungles and swamps of Panama was an achievement in itself, paving the way for the even greater engineering marvel that would follow. On August 15, 1914, after decades of planning, setbacks, and triumphs, the Panama Canal officially opened to the world. The first ship to traverse the entire length of the canal, the SS Ancon, marked a pivotal moment in human history. The completion of the Panama Canal was a testament to the indomitable spirit of human ambition. It represented the culmination of years of tireless effort, innovative engineering, and unwavering determination. Thousands of workers from around the globe had converged on this narrow strip of land, united by a common goal. The opening of the canal was met with worldwide acclaim, heralded as one of the greatest engineering achievements of the 20th century. It transformed global trade and travel, reducing travel times and costs, and opening up new markets and opportunities. The impact of the Panama Canal on global trade and transportation was nothing short of transformative. By connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, the canal reduced shipping distances by thousands of miles, dramatically lowering the cost of transporting goods between the two coasts. The canal facilitated the growth of international trade, making it easier and more efficient for countries to exchange goods and resources. It opened up new markets for agricultural products, manufactured goods, and raw materials, fostering economic growth and development. The Panama Canal also had a profound impact on military strategy and global politics. It enhanced the mobility of the United States Navy, allowing it to project power more effectively in both the Atlantic and Pacific theaters. The canal became a strategic asset of paramount importance, solidifying the United States' position as a global power. More than a century after its completion, the Panama Canal remains a vital artery of global commerce and a testament to the enduring legacy of its builders. Over the years, the canal has undergone a series of expansions and modernizations to accommodate the increasing size and volume of global shipping. Today, the Panama Canal stands as a symbol of human ingenuity, international cooperation, and the transformative power of infrastructure. It is a reminder that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with vision, determination, and the courage to dream big. As we marvel at the engineering marvels of the Panama Canal, we are reminded of the boundless potential of the human spirit. It is a legacy that continues to inspire and connect us, a testament to what can be achieved when we dare to dream the impossible.